In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix ChatGPT not launching on your Windows 11 laptop. So the first thing we're going to check if the server's all up and running. To do this, open up a browser and then search status.openai.com. So this page will let you know if they're experiencing any issues and may be the cause of your app not actually launching. You can also try opening ChatGPT in, and the shortcut to this is Control-Shift-N. Now just type in ChatGPT and you can see if it's working this way as well. So the next thing we're going to do is clear our computer's cache. To do this, press the Window key and R, and then type in %temp%. Press enter, press on the three dots, press select all, and then put this in the bin. Once it's your bin, you need to clear your recycling bin. So if it's still not working, what we'll have to do is fully uninstall the app. To do this, open up your start menu, go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, and now search for ChatGPT. Press on the three dots and press uninstall. Now you have to go back onto the internet to reinstall it. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.